No, you might have hit one. Look at the part of the TV. Oh, yeah. That was like the top plate of the TV flew out there. Yeah, the top plate went to the right. I know there was a bigger piece. I thought, oh, that might have been the plywood. Oh, yeah, it might have been.
Look at the glass.
How do you cops call on you, too?
Oh, we do.
We do. Don't do it all the time.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the destruction.
Good lord.
Dude, where's the TV?
What TV?
Dude, this is a...
That's all it's left.
What is this?
Look at this.
Look at
the TV.
Look at the pond.
Heavy duty glass.
Holy
plywood out
mess.
the pond. Oh, man.
Yeah, where's the rest of the plywood? Here's some of it.
There's some in the pond.
Out there.
And with a grill way over here.
Look at the pieces of wood, man.
Oh, really? I don't know how far up it went, but that's not a piece of
Holy mess.
Dang.
Yeah, that's a fun right there.
knocked the rest of the motor out of it.
Yeah, it did.
But see, it didn't even really, it didn't even really mess up.
Well, that's the bottom. That's the bottom.
It was
really too nothing.
No, it's not going to. It's
It
going
was on a piece of wood.
So what do you use this for?
shoot. That's it.
That's all it's for.
It's used for target practice for the police. That's it. It's the only thing it's used for.
And civilians can buy
Thomas, Zach, Cody, Nick, me.